We're here at Wall Towers West, here in Midland, Texas. That's the original company there. So this also got modded by Otis. Looks like it's the middle car. The other one was the basement, Leo's mailbox thing. It's like a very thin Otis door track. Basement.
Basement.
These probably just have sucker touch.
Floor.
Look at that, Otis. Let's go back down to 1. See what's in 2 mod. Look at that. This is turning into no display. Tall ceilings. That's okay mod. I've seen worse. That's where the floor unit used to be. Look at this. This probably used to be touch Alexa. Okay, here we at the first floor. You don't really see a water feature like that in an office building. But anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.